We are grateful to have you with us today for our symposium. As students, we are constantly surrounded by information.
Good day, everyone. I again read Lawrence Antonito, Group 2 Web Illustrator. So today we will talk about our advocacy, which is vaping. We are against vaping. And
Vaping, is it need-ban mandatory na wala siya? Or compared to smoking na mas kailangan ng low profits?
As Mr. Ramito discussed earlier, you can help them by encouraging them to a more healthier habits. So, pwede yung vaping, instead na mag-vape sila to cope with their problems, kasi yun naman yung mga primary reasons why people use vape. So, instead na mag-vape sila, they can resort to a more healthier habits, which is vaping.